Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about how Facebook Marketplace works. Let's get started. Facebook Marketplace allows Facebook users to browse for items that are for sale and browse each category available on the marketplace. It is an effective way to sell products or personal items that users are no longer using. Some people can use them and buy them at a cheaper price. When people search for terms on the marketplace, Facebook will show similar items that looks the same as the one that the user is looking for. Marketplace doesn't have a way to process transactions. Selling a product on the marketplace is simple. You just need a Facebook account and create listings for your products. Marketplace allows Facebook users to upload 10 photos of the items that they are selling, so there's a greater chance that people will discover the posts that anyone will upload on the marketplace. You can view a recommended product on the top of your marketplace homepage. It shows new for you, and the title that you viewed is now a few dollars less. Whenever you view a product and the seller would lower the price, it will show up on the top of your marketplace homepage. If you are the seller of this item and a Facebook user has previously viewed this listing, your potential buyers will be notified that your listing is updated with a lower price. It is also compatible with mobile devices. On your mobile device, you can tap on the marketplace icon and view all the product listings in your local area. You will see the buttons to sell and browse all the categories available on Marketplace. You can view the today's pick, which are relevant to the items that you are currently searching for and are posted recently. Whenever you check out an item, you'll see the photo of the product, the price, the number of days it was listed, and from what location. You can see the action button, such as Buy Now or Send a Message. If you click Buy Now on your mobile device, it will redirect you to a secure checkout payment using Facebook Pay. It will show your email address, which is shared with the seller, the delivery information, the payment method via credit card, debit card, or PayPal, and below, it will show the total order and the shipping price. You can buy or sell items by location. To find items to purchase in a specific location, set the filter to a specific location that you desire. Input the name of the city, pick a radius, then click Apply. Then you can view all the items for sale in this location and start looking for items here. To sell items in a specific location, create a new listing, and below, input the location where you want the product to be visible. Dealing with transactions. As a seller, you can post your products or used items on Marketplace and place them under a category. As people browse that category, they might stumble upon your product listing and decide to buy it if they're interested. Once they're decided to buy from you, you can talk about how the buyer can pay for the item in cash or online transfer, and how the buyer can receive the item if they will pick it up at your house, your store, or arrange a meetup location. If an item is not sold yet, you can expect to receive a message from Facebook Marketplace Assistant asking about an update of your product listings. You will notice that it tells you that you have listed an item over 2 weeks ago or 4 weeks ago. It will ask if you have sold this item, and your options are sold on Facebook, sold elsewhere, or haven't sold. If you choose the option sold on Facebook, you will receive another message to mark the item as sold or not now. If you marked it as sold or not now, you can still view the listing. If you choose the option Haven't Sold, your listing will have the option to be renewed in the marketplace. You can renew your listing again for a specific number of times after 7 days. On your product listings, you may see a blue text showing a tip to renew your listing. Then you can have the option to renew your listing on this pop-up window so that more people can discover your listing. As you can see, our post has been renewed, and you can renew it for 4 more times. After that, you must renew it manually to make it visible to more Facebook users. If you need to promote your products or services using email marketing, we have a marketing app that can help your emails get into the inboxes of your leads. With Mail Engine, you can send emails using Gmail and G Suite legitimately. Second, it has a feature of content spinning the subject and body. Third, it has JavaScript redirection. Each email goes out with a new URL, but the recipient is taken to the correct page as he clicks on it. Fourth, inbuilt spam filter words detector. All autoresponders have spam words filter. Mail Engine has a built-in detector for these words Mail Engine has a simple 3-step mailing freedom that includes installing it on your hosting, import your lists, and start mailing. So try Mail Engine now. Go to mailengine.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.